Hello my friends, in this case we want to check some difference in edit party mode between uh, 2022 version and older versions of the 3D Studio Max. We have two versions here, 2021 and 2022. In 2021 we have a sphere that this parameters is here and the same shape in the 2022. Okay, I want to convert it to a table party. So if we want to clone the elements in the edit party in older versions of the 3D Studio Max, we go to polygon mode or element mode, select them, and then hold shift key and move it into the new position. That we have this effect here, and we have clone part of mesh, and we want to choose the one of the settings, and I want to click OK. But in the 2022 version, if we want to clone the elements or polygons, we must hold both shift and control key. So I select these polygons here and hold shift and control key and move them into this new position. That we have this effect here. We want to clone it and we select one of these settings and click OK. So I undo it and I undo it in this version. If we want to select the polygons in loop mode, we can select one polygon and hold shift key, and we have this preview of the polygons that will be selected in the next step. And if we want to select the polygons, only click the one of the polygons near the current polygon, and we have this feature here. But in the 2022 version, we don't have this feature. So if we want to select the polygons in loop mode, select one polygon, hold Ctrl key, and double click on the one of the polygons that is near to this polygon. So I want to double click with holding Ctrl key in the keyboard, and we have this polygon selected here. In second difference between the new version of the 3D Studio Max and older versions, if we want to extrude one of the some of the polygons, we select the polygons and we select the extrude key, and so we have this feature here that when we extrude the polygons, we have these new polygons that it's look like a wall, and if we check it into the our objects, we can see these new polygons that created by the extrude key. But in the new version of the 3D Studio Max, if we select some polygons, hold shift key and move them, we have the smart extrude feature that it is very important and very useful in the edit party mode. So it's look like that we used Boolean for the cropping our object, but with this feature we can select the polygon or polygons and extrude them look like this. So these are the some difference between 2022 version and older versions of the 3D Studio Max. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you like it, subscribe our channel in YouTube and follow our page in Instagram. Thanks a lot. See you in the next lesson.